Welcome guys, this is KOK Party Favors. Today I'm going to be creating a birthday gift basket. I have my container pre-prepared. As you can see, I have a flower on the front. I already have my foundation made. And I have my 3 acrylic dowels in the back to hold my lid up. All right, so what we're going to do today is I'm going to share with you the items that I plan to put inside the gift basket. Now this here is a 50 by 60 blanket. This is a throw blanket. And I rolled it up already and got it prepared for assembly. But it's the size of this one. It has the little fringes at the bottom. But the one that I'm using today goes from a dark pink to a medium pink, and then at the end it's a really light pink. So it's like 3 different shades of pink. I don't know if you can see it good from here. You can see the interior is a little darker than this outside part. Okay, so I have that rolled up. I have put a piece of gold ribbon around it and a pink rose. Okay, I'm going to include Bahamas body lotion and fine fragrance mist from Bath and Body Works. I'm going to include this True Living Comfy Cozy Sunday Fog candle. I'm going to include this bird here, ceramic bird. I've already prepared these socks. I've rolled them and I've stuck one of the pink roses in each one. I have this tricolor rose bear. And I'm going to be using these 2 faux succulents here. If I have room, I may include this little purple South African lavender soap. If I can fit it in, I want to use that. It kind of goes with the purple in the bear. Okay, so we're going to start first. I want to put my largest piece in, which is my beautiful throw blanket. And it's really soft, guys. Really beautiful. Okay, and then I want to put my bear here. And put my body spray and lotion on that side. I'm going to go ahead and put my candle right here in the center. Okay, I'm going to put my bird right here in the front center. And to put my little succulent little plants there. And the socks, let's see how I want to do these. I put just a little pink rubber band around it to keep it, in the shape that I want it in. And I put that on each side of the ceramic bird there. It looks kind of empty back here. I think I want to add, I'm going to add this purse here, this little wallet. So I'm going to just put that up here. Okay, I think I got that centered. Okay. Let's see if I have any place for this soap to go. Yeah, I think I'll go ahead and just sit this soap down here. You can't really see it because you have these other items in the front, but that's fine. I'm still going to just sit it back there. It's a really nice little addition. Maybe I'll put it right there in front of the bear. Okay. I'm going to look at that for a minute and see if there's anything I need to add or take away. Okay. I think that's going to be okay there. Now I want to put some shred in there. I didn't know if I should put the pink shred or the purple shred. So I'll probably just go ahead with this pink. And I already have the little tissue paper at the bottom of the base, so I don't really have to use too much shred. So I'm just going to use it sparingly throughout the base of the gift. Hope you guys are having a good day today. I'm having a wonderful day myself. So this is a nice gift. They can get cozy under the beautiful soft throw blanket. They can light the candle. They can add some nice little socks, really soft socks to their feet. Watch a movie, watch TV. Light the candle, have that nice aroma going. That's nice. If they decide they want to take a nice shower, bubble bath, they'll have nice lotion and body spray for when they get out. Okay guys, so this is our finished product. I think it came out beautiful. We have our throw blanket. We have our wallet. We have a candle. We have our Bath and Body Works lotion, fine fragrance mist. We have our rose bear. We have some nice lavender soap. We have 2 faux succulent plants here. 2 pairs of nice soft socks. We have 2 roses in each one, and we have a ceramic bird. And the recipient can keep this. This is a really large box, guys. So the recipient will be able to keep this box and use it for storage. It's a pretty nice size, so they'll be able to get a lot in there, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you for joining me. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.